What's going on, everybody? So I just received my DJI Osmo, right? And I've got to download this app here that I'm working with from DJI. When my Osmo showed up, it had this little cover over this, which is I'm supposed to be able to hook up to the cell phone, but that never showed up, or I can't find that nowhere in this box, straight out of the box. If it's there, I must have thrown it away, but I didn't see it, so I'm assuming that I didn't just oversee it and lose it. It just didn't come with it. And so then the other thing is, I've got to sync it to this app, right? This thing called whatever. Look at it's asking me to download this firmware. So I mean, this thing's not even coming ready to go, which is typical with these products, right? But my frustration is in the fact that I was like, where's the connector? I mean, I've got a charger, but where's the actual connector, right? And so, like I said, it comes with this cap, which is where the mobile phone connector is, and then the Bluetooth Wi-Fi, or the Bluetooth adapter is supposed to plug in here, but I didn't have that. Thankfully, I have a Thunderbolt to a USB-C adapter that goes into the iPhone. If I didn't have that, I mean, I wouldn't be able to connect, but it's just funny that this is even the case. I'm assuming that I threw it out, so let's just say I was a moron and threw it out, but I still didn't see it anywhere, and I was having this issue trying to set it up, but, you've got to activate it and do all this stuff. It's just kind of silly, but let's go ahead and try it out. So this is going to be the setup for those of you who are maybe having the same problem that I had. This is how you're going to do it. The Thunderbolt option, and you have let's say you have an iPhone and you need a USB, you can use one of these adapters. You see this? I got this at like Target or Walmart. So, I mean, this can come in handy because it's got the Thunderbolt USB-C adapter. So, the account, it says that it's supposed to come with a smartphone adapter lightning and a smartphone adapter USB-C. Like I said, it's not even in there. I didn't see it. If I did, I threw it away. I could have very well thrown it away, but I still didn't see it. It wasn't clearly, it wasn't properly boxed. Another thing, well, I did get the power cable, but where's the Bluetooth? Where's the Bluetooth holder? Like, where's the thing to do with Bluetooth? That's what's kind of tripping me out, is why. I mean, come on, we can do wireless, guys. This isn't rocket science for $349. Okay, so after you get this Mimo app, DJI Mimo app, let's get to Zoom. You can play around with this and see how it works, right? So let's go ahead and test this. You got do not operate while shooting. So you can go down, but you can't. I don't know if you you can't walk. So you can't walk and move it up or down. You have to decide if you're going to go up or down with it before you walk. Hey Google, can you turn my office to blue?
Okay, changing 3 lights to blue.
Hey Google, can you turn my office to red?
Sure, changing 3 lights to red.
Just want to show you guys the different colors and how it adjusts to those different colors. Hey Google, can you change my office to pink?
Okay, changing 3 lights to pink.
Well, all right, let's move with it. Remember, I have to stop before I do anything. That's kind of inconvenient that I have to stop before I can. Do not operate while shooting. Okay. All right. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is my quick review. Hopefully it helped you guys in some way.